Yo, Mr. 300C, we leaving the dealership, man. Car is fixed, good to go. The sales manager there was like, good on you for taking care of the car. I need to put my tune back on here because this car don't punch how it used to, but I'll put the tune back on when I get home. Anyway, shout out to the assistant sales manager. He was like, good job on taking care of this car. This is a collector's item. I was like, you might be right, my dude. Where we at on miles? We at 14,195 miles. We doing good, y'all. So no more leaks. Basically what they found out is I had a leak in my, I'm gonna have to read this real quick because I can't remember what it's called, but the leak came from the transmission wiring adapter guide bushing. So they replaced the guide bushing and then topped off the transmission fluid. Verified the leak and everything's good. So no more leaking. I'm glad it was in a different spot, not where I thought it was from the transmission gasket pan. That's taken care of. So hopefully no more leaking with the transmission for the 300, man. I did some researching after seeing that was the issue on some forums, the 300C forums. And it's a common thing in these cars. There's a lot of common issues with these flipping cars with Chrysler products, man. Like fuel pump, water pump, flipping, all kinds of stuff, yo. Like, it's just funny how there's a list of common issues with these type of cars. And I guess the same applies to any car. But with American products, they're cheap. They're not crazy. End up paying $222. I even got a 10% discount. You know, I always try to find them coupons online from the dealership, so gotta get my money's worth. So yeah, $222. Car was dropped off yesterday, and yeah, right now it's like 3:10 p.m. heading home. So I'm glad to be back in the car, of course. Traffic is starting to grow, yo. Get up out of here. These cars be going slow in the right hand lane. Let me speed it up. Yeah, I gotta put the tune back on, man. It doesn't pull as hard. It pulls good, sounds good, but it's not the pulling that I'm used to. It's funny when you take a tune off a car, the exhaust note is different. It kind of has a more, I don't know, it seems more deeper, but not as loud. Whereas with the tune, it's louder, and there's a tiny bit of rasp in there. Not a lot. So I like a tiny bit of rasp. I don't like a lot of rasp. So I prefer the tune exhaust over the untuned exhaust. So that is up with the 300. We are back in business. Ooh, this alarm too loud. More leaking. We are good to go. They looked at the car for other things. Everything else looks good. No problems. So I'm a happy camper. Can't complain. So that's all I have to go over for this short little video update. No part or no car. We keep it running. We keep it moving. We repair our cars. We keep that maintenance up. We take care of things. We keep it moving. We enjoy the car for what it is, yo. Let me know if you got any questions. Thanks for rocking with your boy.